Hello, I'm Clement Weinberger, and I'm a freelance editor at Inago. And today, I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can help other investigators find your article after it's been published. And it comes down to words. The words that you use for your manuscript title, the abstract, and keywords make it easier for other investigators to find the publication. Think about the last manuscript that you submitted to a journal. You uploaded the title, the author names and institutions, an abstract, the manuscript, keywords, and the type of article that you had written. And to keep up with current research, many investigators regularly scan the contents of a series of favorite journals. But in addition, they search PubMed, Google, Google Scholar, and their own institutional library, among other places. And if you're interested in seeing what really is a long list of academic databases of different types, you can find one that's been published in, of all places, Wikipedia, and this is the internet address. So to find a publication that can answer a specific question, the original choice of words by the investigators become important. To an indexing service like PubMed or Google, the article title, author names and institutions, article type, the year, the language of publication, and the keywords are part of what's considered metadata. And along with the words in the abstract, are included in a searchable database that you find online. So when someone looks for publications, they choose relative combination of search terms, and hundreds of journals are searched simultaneously. If you want to see the publications, want to use the publications to write a systematic review or conduct a meta-analysis, for example, then the words you use in the search and the way you use them greatly contribute to finding what's needed. And they'll help others find your articles if they want to, or if they need them for some purpose. So to help others find your publications, a clear, concise title and abstract are both important. Make sure your title identifies your research topic and says something unique about it. The abstract also includes words that a search engine uses to find your article and rank it in the search results page. So to help this, repeat 3 or 4 key descriptive phrases that are used in the manuscript, phrases that you would use if you were a researcher looking for your paper. And they should be both in the abstract and the main body of the manuscript. Keywords are really important. And journals say that keywords are intended to make it easier for people to find your article after it's been published and indexed. They often advise choosing some words that are not in the article title or abstract. A friend of mine who's a librarian and knowledge management specialist encourages using the medical subject headings, MESH headings, that the National Library of Medicine Literature Database uses. And you can find a description at this internet site. And on the MESH internet site, be sure to check out the link to MESH on Demand and the tutorial. If you do use MESH as a source of keywords, database searches will be more likely to retrieve your article within a group of or fairly closely related publications. Remember how other investigators find your publications and how you find theirs. And what both of you are looking for are two sides of the same coin. So good luck in your searches, and I hope that's been a help.